So I've got another little project on the go. This is a 1955 Universal nuffield tractor. It leaks water, and what I found is a crack in the block. It starts from about here up and around there and just under there. So this is the main, this line here is actually the main water jacket. Comes around here to the pump. I've taken off the injector pump, which sits here, and the oil filter, air filter, sorry. Now, because it's a cast block, obviously if you were to do it properly and you'd want it cast welded, and it's got to go in the oven for 2 days, so the block is untouchable, hot. Then you've got to stick weld it up with cast rods, and then you've got to stick it back in the oven for another 2 days and gradually cool it down over that period. Otherwise you'll find that either the welds cool down too quick or the block cools down too quick, and it will crack even further. Yeah, so that's not really ideal. I don't think there's too many of these blocks about for good money. So the only thing we can do as a good temporary measure is to use liquid metal. Now something like this, there's several on the market, and this is the one you want, Wurth liquid metal. It's absolutely fantastic stuff. So unlike the marine stuff, liquid metal or 2-pack metal compound that you can buy, it does go hard, but it is actually, Wurth say that you can actually machine it afterwards. It's that good a compound. So whereas the marine stuff just goes hard and cracks, so it comes like glass. But yeah, so what we've done is V out as much of the crack as we can with the die grinder, and then I'm going to mix up this 2-pack liquid metal, and then we'll just fork it in there, smooth it off a bit, and then let it cure. Yeah, so we'll see. So there we go. Chemical metal from Wurth. Says on the box. Where is it? There we go. Once the liquid metal has cured, it can be machined by turning, milling, drilling, etc. without any problems. And temperature resistance is quite high, or higher than most, so that should hopefully repair the block. And it's not ideal, but it's the best thing available that we can use without spending thousands of pounds. So it says it takes 4 to 24 hours to cure. I won't run it up till tomorrow, but we'll fit it up, just put the injector pump back, put the inlet manifold back, and then so we'll fill it up with some new antifreeze and maybe a proper additive. Because I say the chap did say that he put a load of rad weld in, and if you can see on the pump, there's a lot of copper, so that could well be that where he's put the rad weld in, it just blew it straight out. So that's what I'm hoping. Yeah, there we go. We'll find out in a moment.